Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to go over two stocks that I'm looking forward to investing in. I'm a big believer in crypto, so if you're in the crypto field, these are two stocks that you probably know of or you should know of. So let's get started. But before I get started, I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't sue me, bro. This is not investment advice. And if you're gonna invest, always control your risk. Okay? Do not go balls deep in any of this stuff. Okay? You can put a small allocation and just see what happens. But I digress. Let's move forward. So the first stock we want to talk about is going to be Marathon Patent Group. Right now it's trading at $18.25. So pretty much this company, they pretty much mined Bitcoin, and basically just help keep the Bitcoin network up and running. So if you're a big believer in Bitcoin long term, and if you think Bitcoin is going to get to 100,000, 500,000, a million, 10 million, whatever crazy number you think Bitcoin is going to get to, well, this company is going to be mining it, and they'll likely be, mining a bunch of Bitcoin, and they'll have it on their balance sheet. So, I mean, right now, if you look at their financial statements, yes, they're losing a ton of money. But again, what company isn't losing a ton of money these days on the stock exchange? There's a bunch of companies that make no money. So, we're not trading on fundamentals here. So, we're trading on trends and where you see things are going. And yeah, so the next company we want to look at is going to be Riot Blockchain. Again, it's trading at $20.70. Another company that basically does the same thing as Marathon. They're pretty much going to be mining Bitcoin and helping keep the Bitcoin network going. And again, yes, they lose a ton of money, and you're not investing in these two companies based on fundamentals. So just like you don't invest in Uber and Lyft on fundamentals because there isn't any. They don't make any money. So those are the two stocks. I mean, if you want to look at a chart of Marathon, they're pretty much for the year so far year to date they're up 75%. That's pretty much due to the massive run up we had in Bitcoin in the first month. In December and in January. So yeah, I mean, I expect even bigger gains for Marathon as the Bitcoin price skyrockets. And if you look at Riot, you look at their year-to-date returns, it's 23%. Again, not bad for 1 month's work. So these are going to be secular trends that, that's going to take over the world. I mean, blockchain is still being worked on, and people are still learning what the hell blockchain is, what's the use case for it, things like that. And the more and more people adopt it, I'm sure, all these blockchain companies are going to be beneficiaries of it. So those are the two stocks, Marathon and Riot, to look out for. If you're not ready to invest, just keep it on your watch list and see what happens. If you're a more advanced investor, you can always do it with options. You can just do a spread, do a call spread, buy in the money call, and then sell a way out of the money call, reduce your cost basis, and see what happens. You can invest 100, 200, and 3, 4 extra money. So those are just things to look at, but those are the two companies that I definitely want people to keep an eye on. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of these two companies. Leave a comment down. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks.